Now in this video, we're going to cover pen testing tools and resources. These are some of the resources and tools that we'll be using in this course. So to excel in pen testing, mastering certain tools is essential. Kali Linux, for example, is a powerhouse with tools for almost every pen testing need. It's like the Swiss Army knife for pen testers. There are many other Linux OSs or offensive security OSs you can use, like Commando VM for Windows, Ubuntu. Some people will use Ubuntu and import their own security tools. Parrot OS is another popular one, but Kali Linux is a great one since there's a ton of videos and support and resources out there that'll cover you if you get stuck somewhere. Now let's talk about Nmap. Nmap is a tool for network discovery and security auditing. With Nmap, you can map out a network, discovering hosts and services. It's like the sonar of the digital sea. And for those interested in the offensive side, Metasploit is the framework of choice because it's a treasure trove for exploit development and vulnerability testing. And for the defensive strategies, Wireshark allows you to analyze network traffic, giving insights into what's happening in your network. Now we're going to set up VirtualBox or VMware, and always remember to practice any controlled environment. So we're going to set up virtual machines within one of these two, depending on which one you choose. And this is a great way to learn without risking real-world systems.